back to another video. Today, look what I got for Christmas, me and my sister. We got a Barbie Dreamhouse.
So this comes with 75 plus pieces, and it comes with, or has 10 play areas. Looks pretty cool, and I have to put it together. So the first step is to put these 3 tan pieces together. This one, and this one. So this should go. And they just snap together. So the second step needs this pink window. That should go right here. This big piece here, which is the bathroom and the kitchen. Take this piece off here. Put that in the guard. And this piece goes to the bonnet.
That piece fell out.
And there's still cardboard on it. There we go, that's snapped into place. And then I need that white piece right there. Right here in front of you.
So we got the puppy area here, down here. And then back here is the little living room.
There you go. That is step 1 and 2. So step 3 was to put together this door. And that just snaps in really easy. And then this part goes in right here. Okay, that's step 3. Step 4 is to put this floor on up here. I think it goes this way. No, it goes this way. There we go. Steps 3 and 4. So step 5 is to put this big piece on, and it should snap into a few different places here. Over here.
There we go. There we go.
So you need to push down on everything to make sure it's all clicked into place. Step 6 has you putting on 2 doors. This is the shower door.
It goes right there.
Snaps in right here. And there that opens.
And take a shower.
And then a door back here. Now this just goes in the back here. Okay. Step number 7. Looks like it's the bedroom. There's parts on both sides.
So this is the bedroom.
Okay, snaps in back here too. Okay, there we go.
This is the closet for the room. And this is the room.
It's looking good so far. Okay, so step 8 is this pink piece. Looks like their room with like stuff on their shelf, their laptop, some pictures. And then you have this purple piece. It looks like a bed.
It's a bed and it
folds
snaps
down
on right here.
Snaps in right here.
And there, we got our first bed on.
And it folds up. That's cool.
Yep, it's cool.
So this piece snaps in right here.
Right here. This is the room. And I got this thing on the balcony. I don't know where the balcony is.
Wait. Okay. And then you have 2 white pieces, the column pieces, that go one right here.
One right here, and then one right here.
Okay. Step 9 is to put this piece on,
On top here.
and it goes over here.
This has turned out great so far. So this has turned out really good so far.
There you go. All snapped into place.
It looks good so far.
So there's only 15 steps to this, and we are already on number 10, so we're doing really good. Okay, so now we're on step 10, and it's this pink piece that goes up here.
This house is looking pretty good so far.
Okay, that's all snapped into place. And then you need this piece. This is, I believe, part of the elevator. And this actually goes on this side of the house. You bend that up. So it snaps right there. And this goes over here.
Goes right there.
There you go.
There. We got the elevator piece all on.
Yep, that's the elevator piece.
And then all we need is just another one up here, and then
Step 11
we'll be all done.
is the piece, I think this is the party room.
Yep, it's the party room.
It has Barbie right here.
That's the part it's supposed to light up.
Okay, so it lights up. Okay, so this goes up here.
So I believe that there's supposed to be another piece back here, so the Barbies can do the thing, the party thing.
And yeah, you have to put batteries in it to have the sounds and the lights and stuff light up and work. And I think even the toilet makes noise because there's a little button here that you can push to flush it, and it's supposed to make noises. Okay, so then there's another post right here. And then step 12 is this piece.
It's kind of the same as this one.
Yep, this one just goes on this side.
Let's go up here. Goes right up there. I believe right here is the balcony, I believe. This one.
go.
Our
3 more steps.
and then we're all done.
Okay, so step 14 has this piece, this base piece, and then these few pink pieces that are part of the elevator. Okay. So we have this base piece that goes this way.
Almost complete.
There we go. Jeez. Okay. And that's how it closes, like that. And this connects to this part.
So they can go in the elevator. So they can get in the elevator.
Okay. Turn this around. And this makes some kind of noise too. Okay, I think that's all clicked into place.
There we go.
Cool. Floor number 3.
4.
Floor number 2. And first floor. That's awesome.
We only got 1, 2, 3 more.
Okay, so that was the last step. So now it's just putting on the stickers and the decals and stuff that they have, which she has back there. And it's all number coordinated, so the directions tell you where to put all the stickers and stuff like that.
Because they have it holes to let you know where the stuff goes.
I thought I was going to need a screwdriver and stuff to put this together, but it was actually really easy to put together.
All you have to do is just snap
Everything
on
just
stuff.
clicks into place and you don't have to push too hard to get everything to click into place. So that was really nice. Usually
Yeah.
doll houses are pretty complicated to put together, but this was actually really easy to put together.
This turned out wonderful. We're almost done setting it up.
So the girls got their accessories to set up. I'm gonna let them do that themselves.
We still have a few more to set up.
So it came with a few little pieces of play stuff, some cups, plates, a little pizza, that's the grass area.
And right here. This is the pool
Little
area.
towels. There's the decals, some of the stickers. There's the swinging chair. The pool slide can go 4 different areas. One here, 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 or there. So it's adjustable. They can have it set up any way they want.
There we go.
There's a party space for the kitchen upstairs. So we haven't put batteries in it yet, but the lights and sounds from stuff up here, buttons.
There's a little dog dancing.
2 beds there, and then there's another bed up there.
Up there?
Couch. Let's go around to the other side to show that side. There's a little table and then some chairs so they can have a party outside. That's the elevator. A sliding door. So this dollhouse is very impressive. I think the girls are happy with it.
We're happy.
So they're gonna start to play. Thanks so much for watching our video. It didn't take very long to set it up. It turned out really nice. I just have to put the batteries in it, and they're gonna have some fun and play. Thanks for watching our video, guys.
Hope you like to subscribe and click the bell, and then you'll get notifications whenever we release new videos. Bye!
See you later, guys.